Yeah, much love, respect to all my people out there. Hope y'all like this remix beat that I just remastered and I just recently did it. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to record it. So if everybody out there, stay safe. Hope you like this beat. Let me know if y'all want to purchase it. Let me know if you guys like to see me do something with this beat, alright? Your boy Corner P, another day, another night, cooking it up here live in the studio. Working on this new beat, remix beat. So, like I said, here to share with you guys. Don't want to talk too much. Just still working. That's what your boy Corner P does. Let me know if you don't want to purchase this beat. Put my cash up out here. You know what I'm saying? Get at me, message me. And I'll sell this beat to you right now for only $60. Straight up. If you like the beat, let me know. Your boy Corner P. Much love, respect to all my people, all my real fans. Everybody out there, stay safe. God bless everybody. Hope everybody out there is having a blessed Friday night, because I know I am. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Shout out to everybody out there worldwide. Your boy Corner P. And we're going to end it like that. That's right, straight up from the West. Yeah. God bless everybody. Love you guys. Stay safe. That's how we do. West.